Hey, it's Linda, and today I'm going to be showing you the top 3 features of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. You can accurately track your health and well-being using Samsung Health. It allows you to track your sleep quality using precision sleep tracking, and its timeless design means it's suitable for almost any occasion. I'm going to head over to the lab now to look at this watch in a bit more detail. You'll be able to track your health and well-being like a pro and take steps and guidance to help improve your habits with the Samsung Health app. It precisely monitors your blood pressure and your heart rate, which are both brilliant indicators of your overall health. It uses this information to provide you with personalized workouts, which help you to achieve your ultimate goals in a more effective way. So whether you're currently trying to improve your overall health and well-being, or you're looking for inspiration, the smartwatch has you covered. I'm gonna do a short boxing workout. So it shows the results of my quick boxing workout. It was 2 minutes and 3 seconds. I managed to burn 16 calories, but this watch shows you so much more. It shows what my heart rate was. So I had an average heart rate of 118 beats per minute, and it also shows the different heart rate zones. So for the majority of the workout, I was using a bit more energy than when I was resting. Its useful tracking doesn't stop there, as its precision sleep tracking technology helps keep you in the loop whilst you're counting sheep. Its built-in sensor is able to track your oxygen levels, so it knows when you're snoring. It accumulates this information and provides you with an overall sleep score, which reflects the quality of your sleep. So next time you go to bed, you can use the guidance to help improve your sleep quality and help create better sleep habits. When it comes to the design, it's got more in common with a traditional watch than a smart one, as it has a stylish streamlined strap and a sleek screen, which is both stylish and practical, thanks to its sapphire crystal glass cover, which helps make it resistant to bumps and falls, so you can use it for just about any workout, track your progress, and not have to worry about it getting damaged. To find out more about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.